The broker that has been growing rapidly in the past few years, since especially from the pandemic, has been IPO'd on the stock market, and this one is eToro. And in today's video, we are going to check how the company has performed in the past, what is the future of the company, and could it be a good investment in my perspective in terms of diversifying from the US, for example. So today we are going to analyze a company that has been recently going on the market, and this one is eToro. And if you like investing or any topics about investments, economics, feel free to subscribe to my channel and support my work. You can find the company under the ticker symbol eTOR or eTOR, and you can also invest through their own platform, which you can find the registration links down in the description. So basically, as you can see, that their stock price has been a little bit jumping up a bit. This is super normal after an IPO, but if you want to see it from the day range, you can see that it was IPO'd around the 75-ish, and now it's currently at the 68. So you can see that there has been some move in terms of the stock price, but let's check actually the performance of the company. And that, for this reason, we are going to just go into the analyzing Google Sheets, where the data will automatically load in, and we can figure out how is the market pricing the company currently. So we can see that the current price to earnings ratio is about 7.8. And then if you would like to get this Excel sheet, you can just simply also click in the link in the description, so you will find everything there. And then you can see that their financial position, making the current ratio, the debt to equity ratio, is super healthy. They have a bunch of cash, which they are going to invest so they can get more customers and get more markets for themselves. We can see that their dividend yield is currently 0, which is extremely okay. This is a growing company. I would prefer if they reinvest everything that they have and just grow, and their return on equity is extremely good, but this is normal. If we would like to check how many employees they currently have, they are headquartered in Israel, but they in the European Union, for example, in Cyprus, also in the US, they are active. They have more than 30 million customers already, and this number is just keep growing. You can actually see that their employee amounts has been stable for the past 3 years, and you can get an information about their financial statements on the previous years. So you can figure out how the company has been performing from year to year, and you can see that their revenue has been increasing in the past years, especially in the fiscal year of 2024, and their revenue growth is more than 200% for the past year. So this can give you a picture that the company is super profitable at these terms, and also that it's probably going to be in the next few years, even though that there's going to be some economical headwinds ahead. You can see that the shares outstanding is quite low. There is a quite large amount of insider ownership, which I really prefer when I look at the company. And you can also see that the free cash flow generation per share has also increased from the year 2023 to the year 2024. So this can give a sort of headline for yourself on what the company is currently doing. And if we check the ratios, of course, this is super recent. We are talking about a $5 billion market capitalization. So it's still a sort of small company in that perspective, but it has the potential to grow. You can see that they have a bunch of cash in their balance sheet. So just if you come to cash and equivalents, you will see that it's quite large against their total debt. So financially looking, the company is very stable. It has cash to grow. Also, the IPO had gave more opportunities to raise some capital and to be able to capture more markets. Obviously, the crypto trend and all of these copy tradings, the social platform investing perspective, I think is a great opportunity. That it has market to grow, and also as investments going more into the individuals, and everyone can open an investment account from today's perspective within 20 minutes. I think there is going to be a positive trend for these fintech companies like eToro. So in general perspective, They have bunch of cash. They have no debt in general. They have the possibility to grow, and also they have a unique selling model where they have not only just stocks, they have ETFs, indexes, they can have copy trading. So everything is in a full package. Obviously, it is not country specific. So for example, I live in Hungary, and if I would have like an investment account, I would miss the tax deductions that could be provided by other financial institutions. But if someone would like to trade with crypto or something else, this could be a specific company for themselves. Obviously, I can separate myself as I look eToro as a business, and I can separate it if I would look it as a broker. For me, a business, very perspectively, very good, but as a broker, not as much. But this is very specific to my location. If you would be in Cyprus or Israel, maybe this would be your number one to go. But I'm just saying that in general, everything looks very nice, and the perspectives of the growth for indications to next year is also pretty good. So I'm going to keep an eye on this company, and I hope you like that I brought something new that you may have not heard before. And if you would like to read more, you can go to their investor relations website. And then you can look at more informations there about their recent Qs. And I'm gonna keep that in my portfolio. I'm gonna look forward to see some growth, and also on how you can actually just to see a company growing from being a private company and being now openly traded is amazing, and I will look forward to it. So thank you for watching me. Thank you for being here. Feel free to subscribe and support my work, and also drop down the stock that you would like to get analyzed in the next video. See you in the next one, and goodbye.